Hello everyone, Jack Barley from Nikken. As you all know, Nikken chokes are designed and manufactured to minimise run out. However, depending on the application and the machine spindle, sometimes run out can't be avoided. That's why we've designed the NIKKEN Zero-Fit. Run out is easily adjusted by finding the high spot of the tool, moving the cam in the opposite direction and gently tightening up to a desired run out. Naturally, using a NIKKEN Zero-Fit holder to achieve 0 microns run out on this application will produce a more accurately green pole, a better surface finish and longer tool life.